Children, good morning to video class children. Children, today I am going to explain you about lesson 4, English subject lesson 4, We Are Trees. What is this lesson children name? We Are Trees. We Are Trees. What are these children? I think you can identify these. What are these? Big trees. Big trees. Trees are how they are useful, how they are important in our life. I am going to explain you. All the lesson is about how trees and plants are useful to us, how they are helpful to us, how they are serving us, what are we acquiring from plants and trees. I am going to tell you children. Children, those who are having textbook, term 1 textbook, please open. See children, see here. You can, in page number 34, I think you can see how are trees talking to us. See children, trees are telling, we are trees. They are talking to us children, We are trees. We are useful to all creatures. Means all how animals, small worms, small creatures, birds, mankind, human beings also children, in creatures, all will come. See children, all the living things come under creatures children. Creatures means all living things come under creatures. See children, we help them. Trees are telling we help you in many ways. Like there is no life without us on the earth. Without trees, there is no life. We help mankind in many ways. Trees are telling we help mankind in many ways. Like we will look after you. Trees are talking to us children. We help you in many ways, in all the creatures. Like, I'll tell you one by one, children. Trees give us food. Trees give us food. Clothes, medicines. Trees give us food, clothes, medicine. I'll explain you children. Food. Whatever we are eating means all fruits, all vegetables come from trees and plants like brinjal, lady's finger, potato, everything we are come from plants and trees. See children, mangoes, oranges, lemon, everything come from trees. Some come from plants and some come from trees children. Then clothes. Children, we wear cotton clothes. Where we get cotton? Cotton comes from cotton plant. Like that. Clothes also we make from trees, which we acquire cotton from plants. Then medicines. Many medicinal plants. Everyone are having tulsi plant, no children? Tulsi plant. Many will be having tulsi plant in your house. It is a medicinal plant. It is used. Those leaves, if we eat those leaves, we will get rid of cold, cough, everything. Like this tulsi plant. Herbs, many herbs are there. We get medicine. Some plants they take and do where they they add in medicines. Like that, or some are medicinal plants. Like this, medicines are prepared in factories. Children, food, clothes, medicines. Primary things we get from plants and trees, children. Then like that only wood. Wood, children. Wood we acquire from trunk of the trees. I think you can, children, you will be seeing doors and windows in your house. Children. You'll see doors and windows, benches, tables, everything you can see, no children. You'll be seeing every day, you'll be watching. From where we'll get? Trunk of the tree. From the trunk of the tree, the carpenters make furniture. You will be having cot in your house, chairs, Now we are using plastic, but before we used to, many used to sit in teak chairs, teak wood. We have cots made of wood. Many things, children. All the furniture come from, most of the furniture come from wood, children. Wood. Many wood from trees play a vital role in building the houses, children. Then some poor people, you know, children, in villages, in remote villages, some people, some families don't have gas. How they cook the food? How they cook the food, children? By dry logs of wood, dry wood they get from nearby forest, and they bring that wood and they lit like this, children. They lit like this. You can see now, children. See, they put dry logs of wood and put the fire and they cook food. They put the vessel on it and cook food, children. Like this, many uses are there, children. Many uses are there. Children, trees give shelter to many animals and birds. Many animals and birds. Animals take shelter underneath the trees, and many birds make nests, make nests, children, here in the branches of the trees, Children, trees are base of life on the earth. Then, children, trees give oxygen, which is very essential for the mankind. Trees give oxygen, which is very essential for the mankind. Then, very important thing, children, trees cause rains. Trees are very helpful for occurring rains, children, because if trees are not there, there are no rains. If trees are not there, there are no rains. Then land becomes dry and turns into desert. Land becomes dry and turns into desert. One tree releases 40 liters of water vapor. 40 liters of water vapor, children. Water as vapor. One tree releases 40 liters, children, of water as vapor. Children, how many kinds of trees are there? How many you can think? 3,50,000 kinds of trees are there, children. 3,50,000 kinds of trees are there in the whole earth. We know some few, but 3,50,000 kinds of trees are there. In this 3,000 we know. We know only 3,000 and 200 kinds of trees are used by us. They are useful for food. 200 kinds of trees we use for food. Children, we on the earth 3,50,000 trees are there, but we know only 3,000, and for food we use 200. This one I elaborately I'll explain you in the next session, children, in the next video class. Thank you.